Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ versus the Koenigsegg Jesko. Let's dive into their core power plants. The SVJ roars with a powerful 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an exhilarating, raw driving feel. In contrast, the Jesko features a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8, capable of producing an astonishing 1,600 horsepower when running on E85 fuel, showcasing a different approach to extreme performance. Moving beyond the engines, let's look at their blistering performance. The Aventador SVJ can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds, reaching a top speed of around 217 miles per hour. The Jesko, however, pushes boundaries even further, with its Absolute variant designed to achieve speeds well over 300 miles per hour, setting new benchmarks for hypercar velocity. When it comes to exclusivity and cost, these machines also differ significantly. Lamborghini produced 900 units of the SVJ coupe, making it a rare sight. The Koenigsegg Jesko is even more exclusive, with production strictly limited to just 125 units worldwide. This extreme rarity, combined with its advanced engineering, places the Jesko at a much higher price point than the SVJ. Ultimately, choosing between these two titans depends on your preference for driving experience. The SVJ offers an incredibly visceral, track-focused journey, perfect for those who love the thrill of a naturally aspirated V12. The Jesko, on the other hand, represents the pinnacle of hypercar engineering, blending mind-bending speed with cutting-edge aerodynamics for an unparalleled ride. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.